English proficiency. What does this really mean? And how is this assessed for recruiting and training bilingual talent? Hi, my name is Teresa Palm, and I am the founder of Palm Learning Center. We are a specialized English-Spanish language skills training company. We help professionals improve their communication skills and develop a growth mindset through personalized learning experiences. We believe talented professionals are entitled to opportunities and advancement into global positions. Our mission is to help professionals and companies understand what being bilingual really means and contribute to a mindset shift with regards to achieving and assessing English proficiency. What's the main problem? Bilingual professionals are expected to deal with situations that arise with clients, to make presentations, to participate in meetings, to discuss solutions with colleagues, to write effective emails. But their English proficiency is assessed with grammar, vocabulary, and standardized tests, TOEFL, among others. English is the international language for business. Bilingual professionals must be able to communicate with their clients and counterparts in networking events, in presentations, in meetings, in emails. And unfortunately, the level of English that is stated in most CVs refer to a subjective percentage of English that does not reflect the language user's skills to perform as a bilingual professional. In many cases, neither professionals nor recruiters have a clear understanding of how to assess English proficiency for specific jobs. So for 23 years, we have been working with professionals, national and multinational companies from various productive sectors in both Mexico and Spain. We create a framework that clearly defines and assesses expected performance and outcomes from bilingual professionals in each position. Our personalized training programs help professionals acquire skills, knowledge, and confidence to become fully bilingual and step into the global workforce. Our clients? Well, we have several throughout the years, but we're currently working with Cinvestaff, which is a research institute, Yara Mexico, which is in the agro industry, Cuesta Campos, which is a law firm, and many other professionals and entrepreneurs from different organizations. So how do we assess English proficiency and design personalized training? Based on international standards, such as the CEFR, the Common European Framework Reference for Languages, we assess English proficiency and create personalized language training and learning experiences that meet the requirements of each productive sector. The CEFR organizes language proficiency in 6 levels, where A1 is the lowest level and C2 is the highest level, and it can be regrouped into 3 broad levels, which is basic user, independent user, and proficient user. The CEFR has can-do statements that help define language proficiency in 5 areas. Our students submit a portfolio assessment to prove mastery of 4 professional skills and 8 communication skills. Our English proficiency assessment and training model has 4 steps. Number 1. A needs analysis and English proficiency assessment. In this step, we understand companies' specific needs and conduct an English proficiency assessment. Number 2, we design a personalized training program by setting up specific goals in a specific time frame based on group or individual language level, the position requirements, and the CEFR can-do statements. These are deliverables based on the personalized training program and each group or individual can-do statements. Number 4, a recorded presentation. Presentations are recorded as a proof of professional and communication skills. Let us help your staff or your team become confident bilingual professionals. So when can we assess English proficiency in your company? Contact us.